In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Drive to N8N. It's very simple and straightforward, and I'll show you how to do it within an agent and then also how to do it within adding credentials outside of a workflow. So first we'll start and we'll hit chat. So we're going to trigger a chat right here. Then we're going to connect it to an agent. And then we're going to connect the OpenAI chat model. And then where we're going to add the Google Drive is in Tools. So we'll just search Google Drive. And then here you'll see that you need to connect credentials, right? So you can do it from here. You can hit create new credential. The other way to do it is if we go back out here and if we go to credentials, save this. So you see credentials up here. This is where you can also create all of your credentials outside of workflows. And we'll just go up here at the top, hit create credential, and we'll search Google Drive. Continue. And this is where you can do it as well. So the next step is we're going to go to the Google Cloud Platform. You can just search this on Google, click this, and then up here on the right, we're going to hit console. So once you're on this screen, you're going to go up here to my project, or it might say Google Drive if you haven't created any projects. Here you'll see a list of your projects. For the sake of this video, we're going to create a new one. So I'll just go up here and hit create new project. Project name, we'll call it N8N test. And then organization you can add here. I don't have any, so we're just going to leave that blank. And then we'll hit create. And it's going to take a second to create. So now we can see the project has been created, and you can always check by going up here and checking your list of projects. So we see N8N test, so we're going to make sure we go to that one. And then down here, we're going to go to APIs and services. You can also navigate there by going to the sidebar and then going here as well, but we're just going to do it from here. And then now we're going to go to library. And then now we're just going to search Google Drive. And then this first one, API, we're going to click this. And then so we're going to hit enable. So now that we've connected to the Google Drive API, we're just going to go over here to OAuth consent screen. We're going to click get started. And then now you're going to enter an app name and support email. For this, I'm just going to do N8N test. For support email, I'm just going to do my personal. Hit next. And then for audience, we're going to choose external. Then we're going to hit next. And then I'm going to do the same email again. Hit next. Agree, continue, and then create. Now we're going to go back up to the sidebar, APIs, and we're going to hit credentials. And then we're going to hit create credentials, and we're going to do OAuth client ID. Application type, we're going to do web application. The name, we're going to do the same thing, just N8N test. And then we're just going to scroll down, and where you see authorize redirect URLs, we're going to click this. And then this is where you go back to N8N, and you're going to pull this. So we're going to click to copy, go back, paste it in, and then we're just going to hit create. So once you do that, it's going to give you this screen. Make sure that status says enabled. And now it's given us the client ID and the client secret. So we're going to go ahead and copy the client ID, head back to N8N, paste that there, go back, copy the secret, paste it right there. And we're just going to hit save. And there we go. And then finally, once we do that, it's going to give you this option to sign in with Google. Just click that, select the account you want to sign in on, and then you're good to go. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, appreciate you liking, commenting, subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.